Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to share with you my new favorite daily cleanser. What is not to love about this facial cleanser? For one, it's dermatologist recommended, so it's great for sensitive skin, and it's fragrance free. I love to use it because it's specialized for combination to oily skin, and that is specifically what I have. This cleanser is also great because it deep cleans. You can really feel it right after using it that it really cleans the top layer of your skin and it minimizes the appearance of your pores without stripping your skin or hurting your skin in any way. I love to use this to remove my makeup, or after a long day of work, you really do feel refreshed right after using it. It's paraben free, it won't clog my pores, it's also hypoallergenic, so I don't have to worry about any allergic reactions, and of course, it's always reinforcing my skin barrier. I love this Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser so much. I've noticed a significant difference in my skin. It is super gentle and it leaves my pores feeling so clean and fresh. I recommend this to anyone, but that is just my point of view.